The 5-Second Rule by Mel Robbins is a self-help book that teaches readers how to overcome procrastination and take action towards their goals. The book is based on a simple principle: when faced with a decision, count backwards from 5 and then take action. By doing so, you override your brain's natural tendency to hesitate, overthink, and procrastinate. Robbins begins the book by sharing her personal struggles with anxiety, self-doubt, and procrastination. She then introduces the science behind the 5-Second Rule, explaining how it works and why it is so effective. She also provides practical advice on how to use the rule in different areas of your life, such as improving your relationships, increasing your productivity, and pursuing your dreams. The book is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 focuses on the science behind the 5-Second Rule, explaining how it can help you to break free from your comfort zone and take action. Part 2 provides practical tips on how to use the rule in different areas of your life, including work, relationships, and health. Part 3 is all about how to make the rule a habit, so that it becomes a natural part of your everyday life. Throughout the book, Robbins uses personal anecdotes, scientific research, and practical tips to illustrate the power of the 5-Second Rule. She also includes exercises and worksheets to help readers apply the rule to their own lives. By the end of the book, readers should have a clear understanding of how to use the 5-Second Rule to overcome their own obstacles and achieve their goals.